Oh, she's putting my crossback, which I did for Barbie. It's really nice with the combination with pink and pink shoes. Okay, let's see the yellow color bear. Let's try out this bag. Oh, she's handling. She can put her phones or anything else, her purse. She can put all the things which she wants. She can put all things which she wanted to have. Oh, it's really nice. Hello? Hi friends, welcome to my Graph channel. Today we are going to do this bag for our Barbie, or we can also use this bag for us. Friends, till now you didn't subscribe my Graph channel. Please subscribe my Graph channel now. So, okay, we'll start this bag to do now. I'll show you how to do this bag. This 20 centimeter square sheet of paper, gum, a strip of paper for handle. Okay, we will start. Now take your paper and fold like this. Okay, we fold like this. Now unfold and fold opposite direction like this. Okay, now take this out and I have a middle one, so do like this. And opposite side. Okay, now go like this for a strong crease. Now unfold. We have a line in both the sides. Now take this and fold in this line. This. Okay. Now unfold and do like this again in other side. Okay, now unfold. Now fold like this. Okay, now fold little space. Okay, now take this side and keep it in this line. This line. It will come like this. Another side here. Okay, now press it properly. Now unfold this all. this paper and here this line. Keep it here. Okay, then press it nice. Now write this here in this line. To get our back. Now here we have a center point. Now fold in the center point. Okay. Now we have another line like this. Press it properly. Now take and turn over. Now we have a hair line. Now fold it again. Now we have like this. Okay. Now take this and fold it here in this line. Okay. Now here to here. Okay. Now fold this to both. Here, like this. Now unfold all. Now see here, we have this line from here to here. So here, okay. Here to here. Now here. Here both sides now. Here, do like this and fold it inside. If you want to stick, you can also stick with the gum. I'm going to stick with the gum. Okay, stick inside. If you stick, it will be proper. Press it properly to stick up. Okay, now another side. Like this. See, automatically it came because of the foldings we have did. Okay. Now do like that. And now put them. And it here. Now we have here one line and here. So press it inside. Okay. Oh. Now fold this here. Opening and close. Okay, almost our bag is ready. So we have cut one stripe now. Take that stripe and put gum in one end. And stick it here. Okay. Now another end like this. Let's stick that. Okay. Now we put gum here. Now stick it here. Okay, now fold it. Our bag is ready. Now you can stick Velcro here. Cut it small, don't want a big one. This much is enough. Okay. Now you can stick with the hot glue. Now I'll switch on my hot glue. Okay. My bag is ready. You can decorate it with stars, sequins, with anything which you want. Now my Bobby has came to take her bag with her. So here she's taking her bag with hand. Oh, it's still here, her shoes. Okay, she's putting like cross bag. Oh. Her cross bag is ready now. Oh, I like this bag so much. Yeah. Bobby, did you like my bag so much? Yes, I like your bag so much. Oh, Bobby, which bag do you like so much? I like pink color so much because it's my favorite color in the world. Okay, take your pink color bag. Okay, thanks, Jean-Marie. Tata, bye-bye. Oh, she took my bag and went. Okay, I'm Emmy. Oh, yellow color bag. I like yellow so much. Okay, bye. We will meet again in next video.